Guys, will Bitcoin get to 20,000 anytime from now? These are some of the questions that have been coming on to my DM ever since we came into 2023. People are actually waiting for the bull run within the crypto market, and of course you guys already know that, okay, if bull run is going to happen, it's going to start with Bitcoin, and of course once Bitcoin is moving up, every other token will also move on. Okay, that is why we're looking at the topic: if Bitcoin will hit $20,000 anytime from now. Okay, we will be analyzing the chart together, and of course we will be checking out what the market is giving to us at the moment and what we are most likely to expect within a short period of time. These are some of the things that we'll be checking out in today's video. But before I go fully into it, in case you join us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, then of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Just like I have promised you guys in this here, that I will be coming up with a lot of trading activities, okay, both on synthetic indices, our currency pairs, and of course crypto assets, so that we all can benefit from it, because I've been getting so many questions in those other areas. So I want to implement everything into this training session so that we all can benefit from it, since I have the knowledge and since I'm trading all these assets together, then definitely it makes it very easy to come up with training sessions giving you my different trading ideas, okay, on it, on how you can go about it. So today we will be looking at the crypto asset. We'll be checking out Bitcoin as an asset, as a crypto asset, and see if it's going to go into a bull run any moment from now. So we want to see if it's going to hit $20,000 any moment from now. So let's go straight to the chart right away. So this is Bitcoin, and this is a weekly chart, and it gives us a broader look at the chart. You can see that Bitcoin actually came down right from here, sometimes ago, and of course that's about $68,000 plus, and of course it came down gradually till it got to this present situation, present price, which is $16,924. So we want to see if it will move up any moment from now, at least to this region, before we think of it having a bull run at this point. Okay, so before we look at it critically, I would like to go to 1 hour time frame so that we can see what the 1 hour time frame is giving us today, so that those of us that want to trade this asset, we know what we should look out for whenever we are trading. Just the way we're seeing it, this has got into this resistance zone and it pulled back right from there, and of course it has gone down a bit, okay, but it has been ranging within this region, trying to break out below this support zone, but what has not been able to break out. But once it breaks out above this resistance zone right here, then definitely you should expect a buy. At least the buy should get to this region, okay, this region, before there will be a major pullback right from there. So you should expect a buy from here to here, and that will be moving the price from $16,925 to $16,965, and that's a lot of profit depending on the trading activities you are taking at that particular point. If you are doing spot trading, then definitely to make you profit, and of course if you are trading normally, okay, on a chart like this, you're also going to make some cool profit for yourself right from there. And of course guys, if you are doing futures trading, you will even make more right from there. So that is one beautiful thing about it. Okay, so and of course guys, but what if it does not break out above the resistance zone, because it has been ranging within this region. And when the market is ranging, it shows that it is either going to break above the resistance zone or going to break below the support zone. Okay, all these are very, very important. So how do we know if it's going to break below the support zone? Then check out this. If it breaks out below this region, or probably if it breaks out right from here, still below this region, guys, if it breaks out from there, then definitely it will I'll go back into a sell trend. At least it should sell till it gets to this region, right? It should sell till it gets to this region. So this is very, very important. So you need to take note of this and use it to milk the market successfully for yourself. Okay, so you should take note of this and use to make the market successfully for yourself. So which means if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it should come down to $16,883. Okay, $16,883. So you should take note of that, but wait for the breakout first. Okay, wait for the breakout. When you get the breakout, then definitely you should be able to trade it at that point. Of course, those that are doing futures trading can still trade within the ranging period when it has gotten to the support zone, and if it's not breaking out, you can buy again and use your leverage in order to multiply your profit at that point. Okay, guys, with that being said, now let's check out 4-hour time frame to see what the market is giving to us on 4-hour time frame, so that we will know what is happening on 4 hours time frame. Okay, check it out right here. You can see for a very long time the market has been ranging within this region. Okay, it came down a bit around here, but still ranging and pulled back up again. So it has been ranging within this region to this region. The reason is it has not been able to break out from this resistance zone, and of course it has not been able to break out from this support zone. So it has been moving within those two regions for a very long time. Okay, within these two regions for a very long time, and of course not until it breaks out from there, that is when we can say if the price will drop down to around 11 down to 9,000, or probably it will move up above 16,000 to 20,000. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so now let's go to daily time frame to see what the market is giving to us right now. Let's see what the market is giving to us on daily time frame. Okay, so just the way we're seeing it right here, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then we are most likely for us to have it around here, around the athlete. It should get to this region and play around there for a while. That is about 17,000, close to 17,500. Okay, and of course once it breaks out from there, then we are expecting it to get to this region, okay, which is about 18,159. okay, but we need all these breakouts to happen before it can get to those regions. If there are no major breakout, then definitely it soon gets to all these regions that have been highlighted, okay, right from here. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, and of course if it breaks out above this 18,000, above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to go moon at that point, and definitely it should get to 20,000. okay, which is going to be somewhere here. It should get to 20,000 around here. Okay, so that is very, very important. So you can see the distance, that the distance is still wild, but this is something it can cover up within a short period of time if it's truly on a bull run. Okay, so that is very, very important. But can we have a worse scenario? Of course we can, guys, we can, and it can even go deeper than that. Okay, let's see this, guys. What if it breaks out below this support zone, this particular support zone? Then definitely we should expect the price of Bitcoin to come down to this region, guys. We should expect it to come as low as $15,641. okay, so that's amazing, guys. So that is if it it breaks out below this support zone. Okay, so once it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely it should get to $15,641. Okay, so that is that is one of the worst scenario we can experience right from there. But at that point we are already at a major support zone, so I'm going to delete most of the horizontal line. Okay, so let's see it again. That is around here. Yeah, good. Okay, so once it breaks out from that initial support zone, it should get to this region, which is another major support zone, and we shouldn't expect it to break out from there, because if it breaks out from there, then it's really going to go down. Okay, it's really going to go down, and of course we should be expecting it around here, around this region first. At least it should play around there for a while. That is about 10,000, so it should be playing it within the 9,000 to 11,000 region at that particular point. So once it breaks out below this 15,000 region, then okay, we can experience something very, very worse than what we are experiencing at the moment, and the price might get to within 10,000 to 11,000 region. Okay, so that is very, very important. So we should be on the lookout for all these. Okay, so once there is any breakout either above the resistance zone, which I have highlighted earlier on, or below the support zone, which I have highlighted in this video, then you should know the next step of action to take at that point, either to buy or to sell, depending on the type of breakout that happens at that particular point. Okay, so guys, these are some of the things we should look out for within this period on the BTC market. Okay, that is very, very important. So just take note of this and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, and you will be able to make a lot of profit with this, whichever whichever opportunity you are taking. Either you are doing spot trading, or you're doing your normal crypto trading, or probably you are doing futures trading, then definitely just take advantage of the market and use it to milk the market successfully for yourself at this particular point. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then you should expect it to sell. You should expect it, to buy till it gets to this region. Okay, till it gets to this region, and that is about it will keep on selling, buying and buying and buying, and it may likely get to $20,000 at that point. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so just take note of all the analysis which I have done in this video and use it to milk the market successfully for yourself at this particular point. Of course, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, we are most likely to experience 20,000 from there. Okay, $20,000 in price of Bitcoin at that particular point. But if it does not, then we should be ready to experience the worst scenario. It might get down to 15,000 first, and if it goes deeper again, we are most likely to experience within 11,000 downward to 9,000. Wow. I think that would be so disheartening. Okay, so we should get prepared for that. Okay, so this is what the crypto market is giving to us today. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand everything in this video and apply them whenever you are trading. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.